Welcome students. In today's session we will see another topic in the PLSQL programming language, that is variables. A variable is a name which is given to the storage area that our program can access. Usually the variable name started with a letter followed by one or more other letters, digits, dollar signs, underscore, and the size of a variable name should not exceed the 30 characters. In PLSQL programming language, by default, variable names are not case sensitive. That means capital A is same as small letter a. We have one rule, that is we cannot use reserved keywords for naming the variables. All variables should be declared before it is used in our ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನಾನೀಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಅಸೈನ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, and this assignment statement is not same as the equality operator. So assignment statement in the PLSQL is the combination of colon followed by equal operator, which is not same as the equal operator. All variable declaration or all variable initialization statements ends with a semicolon. Now we will see how to declare variables in the PLSQL program. Usually in the PLSQL program, variables are declared inside the declare section, or which is declared as a global variable in the package section. Here we have a syntax for declaring the variable. So this is the syntax. The syntax begins with name of a variable followed by the constant keyword. It is used when it is a constant. Okay, then followed by the data type. Next it is followed by a not null. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ನ ನಾಟ್ ನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, and this not null keyword is optional here. If you are assigning the value at the time of a declaration, I use the assignment statement or a default keyword followed by the value. So this is the syntax for declaring the variables in PLSQL program. Here I have example for declaring two variables. One is variable sales, which is of data type number. Then I have declared one constant pi. Here if it is a constant, we should make use of the keyword constant. In the second example, I am declaring the variable as well as assigning the value to the variable. Next part is initializing the variables. In the initializing the variables part, the variables are assigned with the some values. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. If any variable is declared, will always assigned with the default value null. Next, to initialize a variable with the value other than the null. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಲ್. ಈ ನಲ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ by following two ways. The first way is making use of the default keyword. The second way is making use of the assignment operator. So here I have an example. Here I have declared two variables, counter and greetings. Counter is of data type binary integer and it is initialized with the value 0. So it uses the first way, that means it uses the assignment operator. The second variable is greetings, which is of the data type varchar and it has or it initialized with a value have a good day. Here I have initialized a value using the keyword default. Understood? The given example shows two ways of initializing the variables. Next part is the scope of a variable. The scope of a variable comes into the picture whenever our program has nested blocks. So we can have two types of scopes or variable scopes. First one is local variable. Local variables are the variables which are declared inside the inner block, and these local variables cannot access to the outside block. Understood? The next type of a variable scope is global variables. These are the variables which are declared in the outermost block or in a package, and these global variables can be accessed throughout the program. Here I have one example program which contains nested blocks. So this one is the inner block, and the variable number 1 which is declared inside the inner block is treated as a local variable, and this number 1 variable cannot be accessed outside this inner ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಔಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ outermost block is called as a global variable. Here also I have the same name for variable number 1. Okay, this is global variable because it is used if it is used in the outermost block. It will become a local variable whenever it is used inside the innermost block. This is how the scope of a variable will be changed depending on in which block it is declared. Thank you.